Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're actually going to be doing a kind of POV driving video. I literally just got done filming a full review on this 2021 brand new Toyota 4Runner TRD Off-Road. So if you want to see a full review on this vehicle, if you want more information on this vehicle, definitely be sure to go click the link on top of the video. I'll probably put it up there right now. Definitely go check that video out. Also, this exact vehicle is actually for sale right now at Sansone Toyota on Route 1 in Avenel, New Jersey. So if you are interested in purchasing this specific 2021 4Runner or any other Toyota vehicles, definitely go hit them out. Huge shout out for letting me drive this thing today. And also, again, definitely be sure to subscribe down below because I'm going to be doing my very first giveaway. I'm going to be giving away $100 worth of my merchandise to one subscriber, and it's only open to my subscribers, so definitely go down there and click the subscribe button. So now we're actually going to be going back to the dealership right now. Again, I just got done filming the review for this thing, so I'm going to be hooking up the GoPro to my head and just giving you guys a perspective of how this thing is when actually driving it. All right guys, so now we're getting out of the parking lot right now. As you guys can see, this isn't definitely like the most, I guess, exciting or like really like well-designed cockpits, but I do really like this thing. One thing that I mentioned a lot in the review is just all the controls on the steering wheel. And again, once you actually have this thing as your own and get used to all the controls, I'm sure you can literally just focus on the road the entire time while driving it. And this is like a brand new 4Runner, so unfortunately I can't really take it on any like off-road paths or anything like that today. But again, this thing does have full-time four-wheel drive, so that does affect the turning radius when it's, you know, on just like regular pavement like this. But still, as you guys can see, like it's very effortless to drive this thing. I mean, it's a brand new vehicle, it really should be. It's definitely fun too. And there goes the lane departure warning. Yeah, that could kind of definitely be annoying, especially when you're really not doing anything that you're not supposed to. But like I said in my review that I did for this thing, it's annoying, but at the end of the day, it could very well potentially be a feature that saves your life, or at least saves you from, you know, crashing. I also do really like the, I don't know if the camera is going to really pick it up, but I do like the map that is automatically displayed while driving. Could definitely be very useful if you're, you know, going somewhere you don't really know the area that well. And everyone does it, like everyone makes mistakes like with their iPhone or whatever, where they miss a turn or something like that. All you have to do is just look down and it already has the GPS up, which is really awesome. Now I'm sure probably when you turn the radio on, or when you know, screw with like the status or the settings, that will change, like that screen could change. But I do like that the map is just kind of like the default setting. And you guys could probably see it, but again, this thing still has like the plastic on everything. It is dirty on the outside because Sansone Toyota is kind of actually displayed it on the outside, and here in New Jersey we've been getting snow a lot recently, so unfortunately it's a little bit dirty on the outside. But again, there's nothing that like a simple wash couldn't fix. Thing literally has 15 miles on it. So yeah, and I don't know if you guys just saw that, but I did kind of want to just demonstrate the little delay that you get when shifting this. So ready, I'm gonna kind of hit it in third and then shift into fourth, and then now it goes into fourth. So there definitely is a decent amount of delay. It's not like the worst shiftable automatic vehicle that I've driven, but it definitely has a decent amount of delay, especially for a 2021 model. But again, that being said, 270 horsepower, curb weight just over 4,700 pounds. It's definitely not fast, but it actually is pretty fun to drive, honestly. And one thing that I did mention during the review that I wanted to kind of show you guys here, the A-pillars are like very, very slim. The whole visibility, you obviously have the window sticker right there, but besides that, the visibility on this thing is great. The mirrors are nice and big. And also I actually did want to put the back window down. That is so cool. I don't know why I find that cool, because I know that older 4Runners could do that as well. But I kind of want to see how that affects the cabin noise. It's a little bit, it's honestly just as quiet as it is with it up, because again, it's the back window, so. But I don't know, I just feel like that's really, really cool. Plus, it can definitely cool down the cabin as well. And it's also definitely like a convenience thing too, because if you got groceries or just some things that you want to like throw in there, you can kind of just roll it down from the back as well without actually even having to open the tailgate up. So now the highway is up here, so I'll take it out on there, do one more little quick pull, nothing too crazy, and then I'll pretty much just wrap up the video. But again, as you guys can see, the interior is not like the most exciting thing ever, but it's brand new, it's very modern. I like the design of it, and there's definitely a lot of like little features here and there that I really, really do like about this SUV. Also, one thing that I actually didn't even notice, you have a little like TRD kind of like a logo embedded in the shifter, which I think is really cool. The shifter also is very reminiscent of the 2021 Supra that I drove, kind of like the same design of it. All right, now I'm going to gun it on here. Yeah, not that fast at all, but definitely pretty fun to drive, especially for, you know, kind of like the mid-size SUV that it is. I really, really wish I had like a used one or something, because I'd love to probably take this thing out on like some off-road paths, because again, with the full-time four-wheel drive, that's what this thing is really, really designed for. All right, guys, so now I'm coming up on the dealership right now, so that's pretty much just going to wrap up today's video. Again, if you want more information about this specific 4Runner, definitely check out the review I did on it. That's probably already posted on my channel right now, and also down in the description below I'll leave a link to Sandstone's website. Again, huge shout out for them, and thanks to them for letting me drive this thing today. So anyways, thank you guys for all the support, and I'll see you guys in the next one.